How's it going, guys? We're opening up another 2 packs. So we're only 2 down on the half side. Now this is the 4th down on the half side. So we have another 14 to go. Let's see what we get in this booster pack. Hopefully it's good. Let's see. Come on, open. Thank you. Let's see. Oops. Black border. We'll see what we get. Let's hope. 2, 3. That's 4. To the front. All right, let's see. By the way, Oddish. Growlf. What the heck type of Growlf is this? Crazy hair, dude. Oh, reverse hello. And a trainer art. Oh, it's a rare one too. 207 out of 96. Nice. Let's get this. Sleeved up. And a hard case on this one for sure. It's what you want. That is nice. What else did I get? This one. I'll sleeve this one up too. Not bad, not bad. Let's see. Let's see in this next pack. Let's move this stuff out of my way. Alrighty. Let's see. Let's see if this pack does us good. Let's see. Let's see. Let's hope. Let's hope. Let's hope. Not bad of a box for this one. Oh, white border. So nothing's going to be that great in here, but let's see. Forward to the front. We have Leaf. Gloomy. Whoop, whoop. Seal. Monchop. Pikachu. He's happy. And Monchop reverse hollow. And a non-hollow. All mixed up with the trainer. Trainer card. Secret rare. That is good. Prize one. Prize. Not bad. Let's check the border on this actually. Border is off, so it won't be worth that much, unfortunately. That back border is bad. Oh, well, thanks for joining in. Hopefully see you tomorrow.